Hey guys, Mr. B XRP here, and welcome back. Today is December 17th of 2020, and XRP just crossed over 60 cents. It looks like it is just battling to stay above 60 cents, but it's good to see us there. It's good to be back there. I think we dipped down to about 43 or 44 cents in the last, 24 hours or so, or maybe 36 hours or so. But nice to see us back over 60 cents. Bitcoin is sitting at 23,000. Let's see here, refresh, $23,132. So, wow. I mean, yesterday Bitcoin broke its all-time high of $20,000, and now it's at $23,000. That is absolutely amazing. And let's go to the numbers here. I'm going to refresh on Coin Paprika. The market cap, so we had just crawled over 600 billion yesterday, and I was celebrating that. And having celebrated that, 24 hours later, I'm looking at a market cap of 661 billion. Look at the jump in market cap. That's that is amazing. Pardon me. So let's see, Bitcoin just over 23,000 on Coin Paprika, 23,083. Ethereum's at 663. XRP is at 0.599, so it's not over 60 cents on Coin Paprika right now. Tether is holding flush at $1. And Litecoin is at $1 so Litecoin is also doing pretty well. And on the 24-hour, Bitcoin's up 11.65%, XRP is up 18.38%, Litecoin's up 17.25%. So in the top 10, those are the big winners. So let's see here. All right, so we just dipped below 60 cents. So we'll keep an eye on that. We'll get back to it by the end of the video, and let's see if we can get back over it. So we are doing great, though. I mean, market is moving in a great way. All right. Saw this from @coining203. You should follow him on Twitter. He said December 16th, 2017, Bitcoin created the last all-time high. Did the same today. So here's the irony of the whole thing. 3 years later, to the day, December 16th, to the day, Bitcoin broke its all-time high yesterday. So I thought that was intriguing. I thought that was interesting. I didn't hear a lot of people talking about that on Twitter, but I thought that was pretty remarkable. Okay, we're going to do a lot of Bitcoin and XRP stuff, so I'm going to bounce back and forth. This was posted on Twitter by Kevin Bledsoe, and I'm going to give him a follow. And he said Bitcoin all-time high announced on Fox Business. So Fox Business was showing Bitcoin hitting its all-time high, which I think is fantastic. We'd love to get that main press. Have all those people out there talking about digital assets, and that's fantastic. So that was great to see. This was posted from Anthony Pompliano on Twitter. Grayscale CEO, and the CEO's name is Michael Sonnenschein, says inflows are up 6 times over last year, and the investors today are highly sophisticated and writing very large checks. The institutions are here, and it's glorious to watch. So let's hear what he has to say about Bitcoin.
That narrative we've heard before. I want to understand 2 things. One is, what do you think the upside is 12 months out from now?
I think it's very difficult to put a price target on it, but I can certainly say at Grayscale, our flows are now probably up 6x what they were last year. And the types of investors that are putting capital to work are unlike any of the investors we're seeing ever before. It's some of the world's largest investors, and the allocations that they're making are bigger than we've ever seen before. And the time horizon for this is generally something over the medium to longer term.
Okay. All right. So that's good news. Good to see. Institutional investors are on the scene. We learned yesterday that 21% of conventional retail investors are already in digital assets. So we have another 79% of those guys to come. So there's a lot more people to come to this party. All right, this was posted by Credible Crypto at Credible Crypto. If you think you've missed the boat on XRP, you haven't. Right now, we're being seated at the table. Appetizers start once we break 70 cents, main course above $3.50. So very interesting stuff by the chart guys. And a lot of the chart guys were calling for $2, and now they're saying they're calling for much higher on the next leg up. So we'll see. Coinbase posted this, a message from Coinbase about crypto market rallies. While we're always excited to see increased interest in crypto, we recommend a long-term view of the market. So they are getting in position to warn people. And they go on to say, we believe that crypto is a truly game-changing innovation, and at Coinbase we take the long-term view of the market. While it's great to see market rallies and see news organizations turn attention to this emerging asset class in a new way, we cannot emphasize enough how important it is to understand that investing in crypto is not without risk. For one, crypto can be a volatile asset class, often more so than other types of traditional financial instruments that most investors are used to. So they are warning people because they know people are going to do crazy things, and some people are going to do margin trading and all kinds of stuff, take loans against their crypto. There's a lot of things that can go wrong, not just the price going down. So Coinbase is getting in front of it because they've seen it before, and they're trying to keep that issue from happening on their platform. All right, so from Julia Chatterley, money growth during the common illness out there. I can't say the name. 140% increase in new online customers, 220% increase in app transactions, 11 straight months of triple-digit cross-border growth. She's talking about MoneyGram, guys. So MoneyGram CEO Alex Holmes talks XRP resilience, accelerated remittances, and pushing boundaries with Ripple. So I'm going to play this 2-minute clip for you, and he talks. This whole clip is great. This whole 10-minute thing is excellent. This video, but I'm only going to play the last 2 minutes because it has to do with Ripple and XRP.
There should be no excuse. I want to talk to you about Ripple as well while I have you, the payments network, because we recently had CEO Brad on our show, and he was talking about this provision of the global liquidity arrangement, the sort of transition that they're going through as the business. Your side of the partnership or the arrangement was focused more on the settlement of payments. I just wondered how that partnership has evolved over the last year and how you see it progressing.
Sure, absolutely. We've been partnering with Ripple now for about 18 months. And the idea behind that was to really push innovation and see how we could help, in the pioneering of the expansion of global utilization of blockchain. And we've been doing that, as you say, for settlement, for treasury management, really FX management services. And the ability to, send money cross-border is really affected by our ability to actually settle real time. Our customers are looking for real-time payouts. And so the money has to be there really before the transaction's even initiated, if you think about it. And so for us, having access to liquidity, improving speed of transaction and throughput is really what I think can be transformative for our industry, our business in particular, in the coming decade. And Ripple is doing a lot of unique things with blockchain, with crypto to help drive that. And it's been a very nice partnership. We've obviously learned a lot together and continue to push, I think, really push the boundaries of what can be. And it's been a lot of fun for sure.
Yeah, it's fascinating to watch. Alex, great to have you on the show. As always, I've got 20 more questions I want to ask you, but we'll get you back.
Okay, so when did you guys hear that? And while I was playing that video for you, I just went to look at MGI stock, and it's at $6.97. And it was at $1.45 when Ripple decided to invest in MoneyGram. And I think Ripple paid $4.10 a share, but you could have bought it at $1.45 that day, and it's almost at $7 today. So that is amazing. All right, so from Michael at VAL5 Link, incoming liquidity crisis. The combined shortage of Bitcoin on exchanges and institutional buying in over-the-counter venues lays the foundation for a fight over the remaining supply, and price rises are the only logical solution. We've been hearing this for years, that there was going to be a shortage of Bitcoin because so much Bitcoin has been lost through lost keys and such, and it's 3 to 5 million Bitcoin is estimated lost. So many Bitcoin are sitting, locked up in cold storage that nobody's intending to touch. So many people are hodling their Bitcoin that it's believed there's so little available on the market, and I think that's why this story on Cointelegraph, they're talking about that there's a shortage of Bitcoin, which is going to drive up the price until people give in and start selling. And hopefully those people will start investing more into XRP as it gets harder and harder to buy Bitcoin. All right, so also from Michael, the IMF says a universally accepted central bank digital currency, CBDC, could radically transform the status quo of the global payments and financial system. Wow. Universally accepted central bank digital currency. That would be amazing. But interesting stuff. Digital CBDCs are all the rage out there. Everyone's talking about them. From Credible Crypto, he said, rest in peace, 13 to 14,000 K dip buyers, hashtag Bitcoin. So sounds to me like he doesn't think we're ever going back down to those numbers. So I thought that was interesting when I saw it on Twitter. This was from the Crypto Poet, and I will tell you, this is really big time. Just in, Ripple partner American Express dives deeper into crypto with trading platform investment. American Express venture arm has invested in the Falcon X cryptocurrency trading platform. The fact that American Express, such a conservative American company, a financial company, is investing in a cryptocurrency platform is mind-blowing. I mean, absolutely mind-blowing, and is going to get the attention of a lot of investors, guys. That is a really, really, really big deal. I mean, a super big deal. So keep your eyes on that. Barry Silbert, he posted yesterday on Twitter, all eyes now on 1 trillion. So that's what I believe he's talking about, a $1 trillion market cap, which is what I think we all want to see. And okay, this was from Digital Perspectives at Backup Bradley, and he interviewed Miguel Viez from Link2, and he said, Ripple, a new central bank. Ripple, a new central bank CBDCs, and XRP Ledger private fork. So this is what Miguel had to say. And for those of you who don't know, Miguel used to work for Ripple, and he worked for, I think he was head of markets for XRP. Let's hear what Miguel had to say.
The real rush here from interest, with respect to interest in central bank digital currencies, the idea has been around for a while. It makes me really happy to hear Brad say that there's progress and that they're moving forward, because it did feel like the interest in that had kind of waxed and waned over the last few years. So that makes me happy. And look, even if it's a private fork of the ledger that's only validated by the central bank, that's still a huge vote of confidence for the ledger and for the underlying architecture. So that's like good stuff. We'll put that in the win column.
So it sounds like Miguel also agrees with what Brad thinks, which is these CBDCs are going to be built on the XRP Ledger, or a lot of CBDCs are going to be built on the XRP Ledger, which is really, really fantastic. Let's go back. All right, good. We jumped back over 60 cents, guys, which often happens in my videos. If you watch my videos, the price of XRP normally rises when you watch my videos. So I highly suggest you watch them, have your friends watch them, everybody watch them. Okay, moving on. I wanted to, as the market goes up and people start to take out some profits, I know a lot of people are going to be looking to diversify. If you're looking to diversify in some pre-IPO companies, you guys need to check out Link2. Link2 sells pre-IPO private shares of companies: SoFi, Kraken, Ripple, Acorn, Marqeta, Uphold. Link2 upgrade blockchain coin investors, I should say. So guys, if you're interested, you have to be an accredited investor. If you're not an accredited investor, see if you qualify. If you don't qualify, you can get your Series 65 license and qualify that way and not qualify financially. So there's another way to do it if you want to. And most of these products have a $10,000, or I think all of them now do, $10,000 minimum investment. But just want to bring it to your attention. And also you can download the Link2 app if you want to. I have links in the description of this video if you just want to follow the prices of these products to keep your eyes on them for the future. And also you'll be invited to Link2 events, which I think is really cool. This was posted by Frank Wick, and it said the psychology of people: XRP at 22 cents, nobody's in line. XRP at $12.90, everyone's in line. And I agree, the higher the price, the more people are interested. It's just the way it goes. I can't wait for XRP to hit $1, guys, because the interest is going to go through the roof. So here we are looking at Fiat Leak. You guys ask me all the time, what is this? It's fiatleak.com, guys. That's what it is, fiatleak.com. Check it out. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not an accountant. I'm not a zookeeper, and I'm not a crypto expert. These are my opinions only. Don't make any financial decisions based on anything I say. Hey guys, the greatest way you can support my channel is just hit the like button. That would be awesome. You can also use the links in the description of my video if you have any products or services that you need. I would appreciate that as well. Share my videos with anybody you think might like them. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And we're over 60 cents, guys, and everyone's calling for, we have to cross 70 cents before the fireworks really begin. So let's get there. Let's do it together. Let's keep our eyes on the market. Everyone have a great day. Bye-bye.